Well, using the pole system and moving it back and forth, I have dislodged it from the bottom. Trouble is, it's kind of dragging on the mud. So what I have to do is I have to go get the other come along. We have to do a dual come along system here, and hopefully we'll have this boat a little further up and at least have the engine out of the water. Well, I walked back to the cabin to get a heavy-duty ratchet strap and the tension I had placed on the rope here pulled the boat a little further forward, and it kind of angled itself into the bank, so I got to get down there and lift that corner of the boat up. Well, as I continue to ratchet here, I'm getting the boat up, but it's going in the wrong direction because it's headed right into this bank. So I've got to figure out a way of pulling it this way and up through this cut right here. Trouble is, there's not really much to hook to back in here except for small birch. Well, this is the best that I can do at the moment. We're going to leave it here and let the sun work on this ice in the stern of the boat. Maybe it will soften it up enough that I can get in there and finish chipping it out. That way it'll make the boat much lighter.